Okay, to install the ham radio logging software klog in Ubuntu 22.04, open a terminal and type sudo apt install klog-y. And when that's done, you can go to your menu and start klog. When you start it for the first time, you get welcome to klog, click next, click acknowledge, and then click next, click download, click OK, and then click finish. Then click OK. And here you're up in the main screen. If we move this out of the way, we can close the notification that there is a new version available. However, there isn't one in the Ubuntu repositories. This is the new version in the repository. So exit that. And if you want to remove klog, go back to the terminal and type sudo apt remove klog. And when that's done, type sudo apt auto clean and sudo apt auto remove. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.